Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Today, if you couldn't guess by the title of this video, I'm actually packing for VidCon. So yes, if you've been on this channel for a little while, you might know that I just unpacked from another trip, and now I'm packing for this trip. However, the difference between all of my other travels and this trip is that I've never been to VidCon before. I've been to California probably three times, and both times it was like a really cool cold time of the year, and it was just like for a couple days. So this is the first time that I'm going to be going to LA in the like hot summer months, hot summertime in summertime. So I'm actually not leaving right away. I am leaving still, like there's a few days until I leave when I'm filming this video, but I wanted to get everything packed in advance so that if there's like something that I feel like I need or something that I want to bring with me that needs to be washed or whatever, I can like make note of that and I am not panicked rushed to like get things packed. I have a really bad habit of when I'm traveling like in North America of just leaving packing to the last minute because I'm like, oh, you know, like I'm just gone for a few days, it's not a big deal, this and that. And then when it comes time to actually leave, I'm like, why was I not more prepared, and why did I not pack early the way that I always do when I travel anywhere else in the world? So I'm not making that mistake this time. I am packing today. So let's get packing. So according to good old Google, the temperature in LA in July is like minimum 17 degrees, max like 26 out. So it's not really a cool time of the year. But from what I have read, VidCon, like the actual convention center, can get a little bit cooler. So I am going to go with the strategy of packing in layers. So I'm gonna have like t-shirts and tank tops and things like that, and then like lighter pullovers that I can throw on over top if it's cold, and that are like loose enough or small enough that I can roll up and put in my little like backpack or side bag or whatever to carry around the convention center with me, and it's not gonna be a huge hassle. So normally for a trip in like the warm weather, I would pack something more like this Lululemon hoodie. It's like really warm and comfortable and really thick. However, all rolled up in my bag, this is going to take up a ton of valuable space. So my thoughts is that I'm going to try and pack some pullovers that are like a little bit thinner, still really comfortable, but yeah, like something like this would definitely roll up really nicely, or like even just like a, what do you call this? Like a little pullover. I'm just gonna call it a pullover, something like this. Actually, I think I'm gonna bring this. I also need sunscreen because, you know, LA. Ooh, these mustache bandages though. I need business cards to hand out with my YouTube channel. And I need comfy shoes because I'm gonna be walking a lot. So I've done it. I have managed to fit everything that I want to bring to VidCon into a carry-on sized suitcase. Admittedly, it is a little bit tight just because I do have a lot more like long sleeves and like jeans and stuff than I usually have. I packed more jeggings than I did jeans just because I know that I'm going to be like not only walking a lot, but I'm also going to be sitting a lot, and I want to be as comfortable as possible for all of the like meetups and seminars and classes and all that stuff that you do at VidCon. So yeah, what was I saying? Oh, right. So in my carry-on size luggage, I did manage to fit everything, but it's a little tight. So I'm still trying to decide if I want to move it over to a regular size suitcase and check it. My only concern is that I do have a layover on the way to LA, and it's not a very long layover. So if my baggage doesn't make it to LAX on time, I'm gonna be pretty pooshed because I'm only there for 4 days anyways, and then I'm turning around and flying back, so I don't really want to do those 4 days without luggage. And also that's going to be a hefty cab ride if I have to go back to LAX again from Anaheim to pick up my suitcase. So that's something that I'm thinking on, but I'll let you know in another video if that's what happens. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go here for now. Thanks so much for hanging out with me while I packed today. It was a long day. I hope it didn't feel too long and tedious for you guys. This isn't a great angle for me. Hello. hello. So if you have not already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We post every Thursday and Sunday travel content from all over the world. We are posting from VidCon coming up here soon, and then we are going to be posting content from Laos, and then we are going to be posting a ton of cross Canada content that you're definitely not gonna wanna miss. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you love travel content, and until VidCon, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you there. Bye guys.